easy breakfast recipe to transform your morning. Hello everyone, welcome to Oliver Kitchen. Today we will make a very delicious and easy breakfast. Ingredients will be added in the description. Please check and follow the full video for better understanding. Let's get started. Take a cauliflower and cut the florets. Add them to boiling water and boil until it becomes soft. Now crush them. Add 2 eggs. 1 chopped onion. 3 green chili chopped. Some fresh parsley. 1 teaspoon ginger paste. 1 teaspoon garlic paste. Half teaspoons turmeric powder, half teaspoons cumin powder. 1/4 teaspoons pepper powder, salt according to your taste, and 2 tablespoons plain flour. Mix all the ingredients well. Add 1 tablespoon olive oil in a pan, and add the mixture with a spoon. Make size like pancakes. Cook on a low-medium heat for about 3 to 4 minutes. Now flip and cook for another 2 minutes. Enjoy with your favorite sauce. What's your favorite breakfast? Share with us in the comment below. Thanks for watching.